Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hanjun Zheng. Today I will make a book review video about the power of habits. This is my content. The first one is topic importance. This book shows a simple life, cue, routine, and reward. Craving links the cue and the reward so the routine runs almost on autopilot. Why this matters? Many delay action came from the tiny cues briefly noticed. An email ding is a cue, mark it and the use drops. We don't break habits, we replace them. Keep the same cue and reverse and script in a better routine so the chain sticks. For study and work, personal focus comes from the personal habits. The team performance came from the team routines. Culture comes from shared habits. Once we see the loop, we can redesign how we study, run meetings, give feedbacks, and how classmates respond to us. The second one, 3 top ideas. The first, we can see the loop and redesign the loop. Habits run on a simple loop. Cue, routine, reverse. In a loop, a light flashes. The monkey pulls the lever and Jules arrives. After a few trains, it anticipated the reward. That anticipation is craving, which links cue and reward. Once craving links the routine runs on autopilot. The golden rule say keep the cue and reward and keep in the better routine. It works because the reward still satisfies the craving, while the middle skip became healthier or more useful. Okay, the next one, the 22 keystones habits create the key reaction. Some habits are keystones, shift one and many other moves. They are the best starting points. The Lisa Eden chose to quit smoking. Months later, it was replaced by jogging, sleep, walking, money habits, and even breathing partners improved. Available keystones resides priorities and communication, small wins spread, and people copy the new norm. Okay, the next one, willpower can be built into routines. Willpower isn't just try harder, pre-decide your response and practice until it's automatic. The book shows we can train willpower by turning tough moments into sprints and routines. At Starbucks, training and motors teach what to see, so self-control shows up under stress. Teams and organizations can do the same. In short, sprint willpower with when X happens, I do Y, then rehearse until it runs on autopilot. The third one, critiquing 2 ideas. First one, sweeping routines isn't enough. Structure and periods make it stick. The book's golden rule suggests you can keep the same cue and reward and skip the routine in the middle. Why that's its problem on its own, it is fragile. When work gets busy or stress hits, along new return often collapse. Habits last when systems, processing incentives, and people support them. Example from the book, they didn't just say be safe, they were safe into the system. Any injury, report to the CEO within 24 hours. Submit a prevention plan. Promotions from these who follow through. Everyone followed one routine and performance improved. How to improve the idea? On the individual level, turn off noisy notifications on your phone and laptop. Protect one non-meeting morning each week for the deep work. On the team level, put the habit on the calendar and into the process. Run a fixed Friday 15 minutes review that went well, what you improved next week, who needs help. On the organizational level, tie the habit to visible neighbors and public press. Give short odds in weekly meetings so the habit is rewards, not just requires. Diagnose first then replace, identifying rewards and cues. Keep the cue and reward in the routine. Sounds easy. The hard part is diagnosis. We misread the reward and forget that cues are a max of time, place, mood, people, and the previous action. If you pack the wrong match, you replace or you just sweep in another unhealthy habit. Every day at 3:30, he went for a cookie and a chat to see what he really wanted. He tried one thing each day at the same time, a 2-minute walk just chanting or another snack. After each try, he wrote how he felt, then checked again 15 minutes later. He found it was sugar, it was short chat and a quick break, so he wrote a line. If it's 6:30, I chat with a co-worker for 10 minutes. He set an alarm and practices for a few weeks until it became a habit. If no one was free, a cup of tea and a short sit worked. How to improve the idea? You should first identify the true reward and the real trigger. Then use if-then statements to practice. Use 3 steps. First, find the true reward and trigger. Next, map the triggers. Finally, practice with if-then statements. The fourth one. 3 practical pieces of advice. First one. Small wins equal to big change. First, pick a small yet pivotal habit that can drive other change, like writing a daily to-do list of 3 to 5 items if you can't manage that. Start with just 1 to 3 items and gradually build up. Tick them off as you complete them, aiming for a 7-day waiting stick to build momentum. Over time, it will turn into a key habit. The next one, dig notes first, then replace. Habits are replaced, not broken. First, find the real rewards you want. Then write an if-then line to skip the routine. The student's example. If you check social media after sitting for 5 minutes, run a 3 to 5 day test with the same cue. Each day try one quick option. Write 3 words about how you feel, then check again 15 minutes later. For example, a short chat plus standing up caused the phone urge, then I replaced it with an if-then rule. The last one, turn willpower into script. First name the trigger, then write a short sentence. If X, then first Y, then Z. Practice morning and night. Put it on your phone. Review on Friday. Example, if the other person is very upset, listen first, then say one can line. Go on clear action with a time. Keep scripts short. Start with 1 to 2 common cases. Check off each time you use one. After a few wins, it became your default. That's all. Thank you for watching.